In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Windows 10 from automatically saving your files to OneDrive. If you're constantly finding your files going to OneDrive and you prefer them to be saved locally on your computer, don't worry. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take control of where your files end up. First, you'll want to take a look at your taskbar where you should see a little cloud icon. That's the OneDrive icon. Give it a click. This will open up OneDrive options for you. It's your gateway to controlling how OneDrive interacts with your files. Next, once you've clicked the cloud icon, look for the settings option and click on it. This will open up a new window. From here, you'll want to navigate to the sync and backup section. This is where you determine how and where OneDrive saves and syncs your files. In the sync and backup window, you'll find an option called Manage Backup. Click on that. This is an important step because it allows you to decide which folders you want to back up to OneDrive. You'll be greeted with a list of folders that are currently synced. If you prefer these folders not to be synced with OneDrive, simply uncheck or disable the ones you don't want to be backed up. It's an easy way to ensure your files stay local. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save changes. This confirms your choices and stops those folders from syncing to OneDrive moving forward. Alternatively, if you're looking for an even more comprehensive solution, you can go into the Account tab. Within this section, you'll find an option to unlink this PC. Clicking this will stop OneDrive from interacting with your computer altogether, giving you a fresh start on how and where you manage your files. If you frequently use Microsoft apps like Word, there's an additional step you might want to consider. Open up Word, head to File and click on Options. Within the Options menu, locate the Save tab. Here you'll want to specifically check the box that says Save to the computer by default. This change overrides the default setting to save documents to OneDrive, making it so all your future documents are saved locally without you having to think about it. And while you're there, make sure to uncheck the box labeled Save Documents to OneDrive by default. This step is crucial for ensuring the change sticks and removes any automatic preference for OneDrive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully taken control of how Windows 10 handles the saving of your files, ensuring they remain exactly where you want them to be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.